everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial or a process video on how to decorate this Conversations Heart number 2 from Scrap Diva Designs metal die set that I used. And the die set looks like this. It came out in April. And this is a request for to show how to wrap this around the heart. It looks really pretty, and the ribbon that I used looked like this, and I got it from AliExpress. And I went back to I got these ribbons a long time ago. I only got like this green one and this pink one here. And I went back and all of a sudden it's not available anymore. So I tried looking and I think I found something similar. So I'll list it in the description box below where you can get the alternative ribbons for these, and as well as where you could get this Conversation Hearts number 2. And yeah, so here's the website if you're interested in getting the metal dies. And so let's get started. So I got this glue gun already heated up, and this ribbon size is about 13 millimeters. And so is this one. And my husband printed this whole box out because my ribbons are all over the place, and so yeah, it's really nice of him. He designed this and I just thought it was amazing. And there's like a spool that he designed if I like show it to you. Yeah, but anyways, it's kind of hard to like take out and stuff because you have to re-thread all these ribbons. So anyways, to what I did with these conversation hearts, like I used watercolor paper, and I used this watercolor set from Michaels. I still see it online. They still have these available. They're called pearlescent watercolors, and I believe it's only like $8 Canadian, and it's really pearlescent. I'm so surprised with this. Like, it's such a deal. Like, you get so many different colors here. So I just did a wash, and it's better if you use watercolor paper because there's like a texture there. But if you like something that's more smoother, you could do those multimedia papers as well. This one is multimedia paper, and then this one is like really thick watercolor paper. It's really neat. It's like pearlescent. So, okay. I'm gonna start gluing. I'll do a pink one this time. So, it's fairly simple. I just, take the glue gun and I'll put some glue onto the ribbon on one side of the ribbon. Be extra careful because it's really hot. And I'll start at the bottom, align it so that it's like just so that you can see the ruffles or the pleats like this. And yeah, you just wrap it around. I will start at this bottom point, so try to make it straight, like this edge here. Doesn't necessarily have to be super straight. And then you just keep gluing it on. And I have these like safety, like they're not really safety, but they're just like if you want to press on it, you could use these finger, they're used for paper, but to flip papers. But I just use it for this type of crafting where I'm dealing with the hot glue gun. And I wouldn't want to go too far with the glue because it'll just like it'll solidify really quickly. So just keep wrapping it around and pressing as you go around like this. yeah. Let's do it again. And this glue gun is pretty good. The other one, if you've seen my other tutorial, the pink one, it's like a USB charger for the glue gun, and it takes a while for it to like fully charge, like more than half a day for some reason. So I got this new one. My husband bought it for me, so it's so nice of him. This one, and it has a stand here and a battery pack. We're almost done. We're almost at the end. So you want to measure it and then just snip off. Just measure it over a little bit from where you started the ribbon. Hope you could see. Like that. And then cut it. Like just overlap a little bit. There. And now let's put some more hot glue. There. Look how pretty it is. Super pretty. And what you could do is you can make another one and another conversation heart and glue it on the back like this. And use glue. And then it's like double-sided if you happen to want to like just have this as a decoration that could be taken out of wherever you're planning to put it, like in a pocket, in a mini album, or as a tag that hangs and you can flip over and have a different saying at the back, or it could be the same. Or you could just not do that if you're actually permanently sticking it on your projects. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!